Hi guys, I had rather hoped that I'd finished doing these Poundland friction powered car conversion to hobby grade radio control, but I've thought of two more videos that I need to do. One is, does the print in place chassis fit on the other cars? And I've just fitted it onto the I think this one's a BMW. It does fit. I've needed to trim it around a little bit, and it is getting a bit old now. It's only a few weeks old, but it's beginning to split along the seams on the printing. So it does work, and I'll show it running around, but I've had to use bits of blue tack and bits of hot glue to hold it together where it started to split. So I'll just put the camera down on the floor and we'll run it around a bit. As you can probably guess, it's a bit late at night. Right, the steering does work, so that's good. It clears the bodywork okay. So yeah, that does work. It would work better if it was freshly printed. As I say, it's beginning to fall apart. That post at the back there is split and broken off, so that's held in place with a bit of blue tack. The motor supports split, so there's a bit of hot glue there to hold the motor in place. Oh yeah, the front one's split as well. I will point out those are bits that I've added to the original design, so that's not a fault with the original design. The other thing is the bodywork was just fouling on those parts of the print, so I just hacked them out the way so that the body shell could sit down properly. If you remember, these have got these bits on the inside that fit on the original floor pan. So I had to hack this a little bit so they'd fit. Oh, and one of my, if you remember, I put self-amalgamating tape on these wheels to give it rubber tyres. One of them had disappeared, so I've just glued a rubber band on there for now, just so we could get it running. So yeah, that chassis, print in place chassis, will work with the Poundland body shells, and that's my modified version of the print in place chassis. I had to stretch it to get the wheel alignment. Yeah, that'll do for this one, and then I'm going to do hopefully just one more video, because I was looking at the component parts for the chassis that I've built, and I'm using these lightweight servos, 2.5 gram servos, and they're ridiculously expensive. So I'm going to do one more chassis using an ordinary 9 gram servo like this one, because they're cheaper. So that will be hopefully the last one. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.